How to enable character voice in Character AI. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can enable character voice in Character AI. For this, you first of all want to open the Character AI app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install the app. Once you have launched it, make sure to sign into your account. Now, you are able to enable the character voice for existing characters or new characters. If you want to create a character, tap on the plus icon that says create at the bottom of your screen. Now select character. Here, you want to name your character. Once that is done, tap on the next option. Now you would want to describe your character. Then tap on next. Now you want to enter a greeting for your character. Now tap on next. Here, you want to select the visibility. You can make it public, unlisted, or private. Now, tap on the next option. If you want image generation for your character, check this box to enable image generation for this character. You can also add subtitle, add description, add character definition over here. Now, in order to enable character voice, you want to tap on the select voice option. Here, you're going to find different voice options for your character. Simply tap on any one that suits you the best and tap on the Use Voice option. As you can see, the voice has been added for your character. Now tap on the Create option. Now the voice has been enabled for this character. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.